In a village, a poor boy lived. One day he was very hungry and was walking on the road. He knocked on many house doors, but no one gave him food. Finally, a woman opened the door of a house. The boy, feeling shy, just asked for water. The woman, seeing his sad face, brought a glass of milk. The boy said in surprise, "I will give money." The woman said with a smile, "No, it's a gift." After a few years, that lady fell ill. She was taken to a big hospital in the city. The doctor came and treated her for many days. Finally, she recovered. But upon receiving the bill, she became worried because she didn't have any money. Then the doctor quietly wrote on the bill's envelope, "The cost of your treatment is already paid with that one glass of milk." The lady started crying. Education. Small kindness returns as a big reward.